Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set up frequently asked questions on your Instagram profile. So first of all, go to the settings here, tap on the settings menu, go to business, and here you will see the fourth option is frequently asked questions. So it's off right now, as it should be for you if you are looking at this video to know how to set it up. So set up frequently asked questions. Help people start conversations by showing questions they can tap at the beginning of a chat with your account. So let's see, set up a question. Add the question, so just a question people can ask. For example, where can I shop your merchandise? Yeah, so I can set up this question and then show questions. Yeah, and that's it. I think, yeah, you can add up to 4 questions. Yeah, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, check out my other videos, and see you in the next one.